No, actually I'll hold it and you can just speak. And you can look at me also. Ready?
I don't know what to say.
No, you will see. Okay. So, Assalamu alaikum. I have a guest who is very young on my podcast called Lightupwithshua. I hope you have subscribed the podcast and you are already watching and sharing it. And you can find us on iTunes, YouTube, TuneIn Radio, Spotify, and where else? Okay, so hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
What's your name? Full name and how old are you?
My full name is Mahnoor and I am 6 years old.
Okay. Oh wow, you are 6. That's interesting. And which grade do you go to?
Grade 1.
Grade 1. Do you like grade 1?
Yeah, because I have English notebooks and they're so easy. Only IPC is the best, but I think art is better because Friday is art day.
Okay. You like art days?
Yeah, because I make
Oh, your throat is not well today? Okay.
Okay.
So you like art days on Fridays?
Yes.
What else do you like? It's okay. What else do you like?
I like.
Any other subject? Math, Urdu, English?
Oh, I like math.
Math? Okay. What is 1 plus 1?
2.
Oh. And what is... Okay. Okay, I'll not do minus. What is 1 plus 2?
3.
Oh wow, nice. How far should I go? 10? Okay. 1 plus...
No, I mean
1.
50. No.
Okay. Okay, I'll not go to...
70.
Okay, 1 plus 5?
Oh, wait.
1?
1 plus 5, 6.
Excellent! Very nice. Alright. What do you like about other... Do you have... Okay, before I ask that. Do you have other friends?
Yes.
I
only have one friend.
And what's...
Her name?
Yes.
Her name is Minna Shafiq because she's from China.
Oh.
I can speak in China with her.
Chinese?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I talk with her forever in school, Chinese.
What do you say? Like, can you say anything in Chinese?
Ni hao.
What does that mean?
It means hello.
Oh, ni hao. And what else? How do you say?
I have more, but I just forgot them, so I can't do the rest.
Okay, that's okay. All right. So, why do you like Chinese friend? Is she nice and polite to you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any other friends?
No, only one.
Okay, good.
But she never let me be the leader of the games. Only she says she is.
Oh, so why can't she if she's a good friend, shouldn't she let you be a leader as well?
No, because she thinks I'm smaller than her. She's 6 and I'm 6.
So did you tell her that you are the same age?
Yes.
And if she...
no, I just forgot to say in school, that's why.
Maybe you should tell her and see if she... What is a good friend?
A good friend is nice, polite, and listens to each other.
And
they eat lunch together and play together and go to school together and go back home in the same car.
Oh, nice.
But she goes to her other home. First I go and then she goes.
Okay, which is okay because you have different schedules. Okay. So are you going to talk to her about that she should let you be a leader? Huh? Can you ask her about being a leader?
I never asked her.
Yeah, you have to ask because if you don't ask, other person doesn't know what you want. So don't you think sensibly or logically you should ask somebody in order for you to be able to achieve what you want to. Excuse me, I'm talking here. Where have you gone?
I'm still here. I'm
Okay.
not even anywhere else.
Okay, thank you for being here. Do you have any sisters or brothers?
I only have one sister,
Okay.
and her name is Mahnoor But.
Okay, and do you like
And
her?
my name is only Mahnoor.
Okay, and do you like your sister?
Yes.
She's nice to you?
No, she isn't.
She isn't. Okay.
I
Are
like
you
her,
nice
but
to her? Are you
Yes,
nice?
I'm always nice, but she says whenever I am putting my clothes in the basket, she takes my basket with clothes and take all of the clothes out and puts her smelly clothes and socks in there,
Mm-hmm.
and then her suits get good, and then my clothes get smelly.
Okay. So how will you resolve this issue? What is the best way to solve a problem in your view?
I don't know.
Are
Only
you
my
going-
mama can do everything.
Okay, so do
I
you
can do more stuff than her.
okay, do you think that you can find a solution to this problem?
Yes, but
Yeah, let's think about it. What's the best way to do this? You'll ask your mama. Have you asked your mama to solve this problem?
I every day ask her.
And has she solved it?
Yes.
What does she do?
I don't know.
What does she do?
She.
Does she take out the clothes or put yours or give
No,
you?
she puts the smelly clothes back in the smelly basket because she saw the names. We wrote names, and Shana didn't know that.
Okay. All right. Let's change the topic. Let's move to another topic. Okay. आपको उर्दू आती है?
No, because I never speak in Urdu because I don't like Urdu.
You don't like Urdu? I thought having many languages.
Everyone says only teachers say don't talk in Urdu, so that's why I don't talk in Urdu.
Okay, listen. Can you look at
It's
me?
hard to talk in Urdu, that's why I don't talk.
But I thought that knowing more languages is a good idea, and your brain gets sharper and smarter. Even
It's never sharper and smarter.
yes, it is. Listen, Mahnoor, आपको उर्दू आती है? I thought मैंने आपको सुना था उर्दू बोलते हुए.
I don't speak Urdu.
अच्छा, क्या आप? What else do you speak? Chinese, English, and what else?
Chinese, English,
Punjabi?
maths,
Punjabi? No.
Russian.
Russian.
And is Russian bonjour and
No, bonjour is French.
Hello.
French.
I know bonjour means hello.
Yeah, French. It's French. Or Urdu. Oops, please, can you not hit my microphone? Thank you.
I didn't see it.
Okay,
I
can
was
you?
only doing
Can you
this
be
and then I
careful?
just went
आप ध्यान से कर सकती हैं interview?
Yes.
Oh, you understand Urdu. I just spoke to you, and you
I mean,
answered.
no.
And why you are so running away from Urdu?
Because I don't like speaking Urdu. That every day when it's Urdu period, I always put my both of my hands on my ears while working.
अच्छा, तो
But
why is
I have 4 hands when I get smart. No, really,
अच्छा,
real.
अच्छा. Okay. Listen.
Stop laughing.
All right. Okay, listen, Mahnoor. This is so good. Okay, Mahnoor, listen. But I'm thinking that is the teacher not good? If you have a different teacher,
The
would you
Urdu
learn?
teacher is not good.
So if you have a different teacher, you might like to learn.
I only like English and math teacher.
But if you have
I need a heart look with a tail.
yes, if you have a different teacher, now I can see that you are a child. If you have a different teacher, would you like to learn Urdu?
No, I only like to learn English and math.
Doesn't matter who the teacher is.
Yes.
So the language is not appealing and attractive to you.
The Urdu teacher is not good because she always forces us to do everything. She gives us I'll tell you how much homeworks.
Huh.
She gives us 10 homeworks.
Oh my God, that's too much. And how much do you get in English?
1,
Okay, and in math?
2. It's true.
Okay, that's fine. So I think I will talk to your school and say, can you have a better teacher that who gives only 1 homework or 2 maximum? ठीक है?
I like 1 and 2.
Yeah, so I will ask them that to give you only 1 and 2 homework. Then would you like the Urdu teacher then?
No, I am.
Still you will not like even if
Yes,
she give you 1 or 2.
Still, when you do that thing, she will still be the same.
Oh, so I taught my.
Because she is never happy.
Okay, so we have to change your teacher. I'm so concerned.
I can't.
No, I will change it for you.
You can.
Yeah. No, I can't. Why not?
Because the teachers don't allow.
What? They don't allow
They
what?
don't allow big people to come in. They're not. They only don't allow their. They only allow parents.
Okay, I will ask your mother to.
But they don't. No, don't ask.
Why?
Because I'm just fine. But
No, one should help. If you have an issue, you should talk to your mother.
I never have an issue.
You never had an issue. Okay, that's good. So you solve your issues yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let me ask you another question. Do you like Pakistan or you like Canada? But which country do you like? Huh? But which country do you like? Hello? You're interviewing. You're giving an interview. It's gonna go on TV.
Okay.
Yes, please. So, do you like Pakistan?
Yes.
What do you like about Pakistan?
Teachers, parents, sisters, halas,
Okay.
and other halas.
Okay, thank you. And do you like? Do you know? Do you have cousins?
Yes, I have 2 big brothers.
Okay.
They're not my brothers.
Oh, what are they?
They're my
Cousins? What?
they are my
Huh? What are they? Brothers?
don't tell.
Okay, don't tell. We'll not tell. Okay, so they are brothers. Both of them?
Yeah.
What are their names?
Side by right.
Okay.
I only like to say ride.
Okay, so
Because he's a guitar player.
okay, so he's a guitar player, and Said Bhai plays violin and tabla. Do you know that? And piano and harmonium. Do you know that?
Do you know that side by face just looks like to me in my brain a fruit punch. a fruit punch box.
Okay, and what is Said Bhai?
Just a guitar player.
Just a guitar player. Okay.
Because I love guitars.
Okay. So you love Raid Bhai. And if he didn't play guitar, then you don't like Raid Bhai?
I still like him when he plays.
Okay.
But I don't. I like a violin, but I just don't like the sound.
Oh, okay.
The guitar is peaceful.
Peaceful? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is it playing? Okay. All right. Whom do you like out of your parents, Baba or Mama?
Both.
Both. What are the good things in both of them?
My Baba takes me to the candy shop and
And
let me buy chocolates and candies and Halloween treats.
that's why you like him?
Yeah.
You like him or
And
you
my
love him?
mama takes me to people's house for a vacation, and that's why I love her.
Okay. Is there any other good thing in your parents?
Yes. My Baba is big,
Strong?
strong, and FA. Because he has a big tummy.
All right. And he does it drive good? Is he a good?
He drives good. He
Okay.
just drives fast like this.
Okay. Come back in the screen. Okay. What about Mama? Do you like her cooking? Does she
No.
good cook? Is she a good cook?
No, because she's not feeling well.
No, not today, but always she's cooking for you and taking care of you and.
Yes, but I don't like the food that my mama doesn't cook.
Okay, come here.
There's a lady called Miss Angelina,
Huh?
and she's the one who forever, never takes a trip, but forever, ever,
Huh?
she never leaves.
Okay.
But she forever, ever cooks.
Okay. All right. Okay. I think we are coming to the end of our interview. Okay. What do you want to do in your life?
My life
Yeah.
just lying down. I'm watching.
Oh, okay. No. I mean, do you want to become an engineer or a pilot or a doctor or a teacher?
Doctor.
You want to become a doctor? What will you do with becoming a doctor?
When my friend is coughing
Huh?
like me, then I will tell her to come to my house because I have a toy doctor and they have toys, but they actually do the real stuff and the real stuff.
Okay. What else do you want to tell me? Do you want to tell anything else to ride by, side by? Sit properly. Sit properly, please. Thank you. Do you think you are a good person?
Yes.
Do you think you have?
I'm forever, ever nice.
Okay.
But some of my friends are not nice.
Okay. Okay. Anything else you want to tell us about your grandparents? Do you like your grandparents?
I like my grandma and grandpa.
Okay. And who else do you like?
I like my whole family.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay. And do you like cold weather or?
Also you, Shalmer. Also you.
Okay. Thank
Everyone.
You. Thank you so much. You are so wonderful. What color do you like? What color do you like?
I like pink, purple. I like all the colors.
Okay. Any special color?
I don't like dark colors.
You like light colors? Okay. All right. Any sports you like soccer, basketball?
Basketball because I have a basketball in my home.
Okay. Do you like cricket or tennis or any?
I like tennis.
Okay. Have you played?
I like baseball.
You like baseball? Oh, nice. Also, okay. Now I'm thinking, what lights you up? What lights you up? What gives you happiness? This is the
The
question.
things that I like.
That gives you happiness?
Yes.
That gives you light?
That means I like my sister, but I always share my stuff with my Mahnoor, but she never shares her icebreakers and stuff.
Okay, we will ask her to.
I mean, she shares her icebreakers, but she doesn't share the rest of her stuff. Because
Okay.
she's always rude.
Oh, so what is the solution to this problem? Are you rude with her?
No.
Okay, so doesn't
Only
she learn?
she is.
So doesn't she learn from you?
She never
Okay, so how can we teach her
teach her.
to be not rude with you? Oh, okay. Are you hot?
Yes.
Can you take this off?
Yes, I can because there's a hole. Look,
Okay.
there's a hole.
All right, nice. I like your hat. Do you wear this outdoors or indoors also?
Only indoors.
Okay. Only indoors? I thought this was for outdoors.
No, this is only for coughing.
Oh, okay. Just to keep you warm. So anything?
Oh, for my
Okay,
stomach.
let's
I'm
last
putting this
question. Last question. Okay. Anything else you want to share with the world before we end our conversation?
I like to share all my toys and stuff with my friends, but they never share the stuff.
So you.
Only Minna shares it.
Okay. Mina is your friend?
Yes, he's my best friend ever.
Okay.
And
I thought it was that Chinese person. What was her name?
Minna.
Oh, okay. That's okay. Okay, your
It's the
Chinese.
same girl.
Oh, okay. It's the same girl. All right, all right. Okay. Anything else before I end this conversation?
I think that's enough because I'm feeling sick.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Can you shake your head? Hello.
Yes.
Thank you very much for the conversation. I'm really honored to be able to talk to you. Please, people, subscribe to Light Up with Shua. We have a amazing guest here, and say bye bye. Thank you. Yeah. Oh wow. All right.